All right, guys, Eric with Stratford Construction. We're here at 25106 West Sandbank, Plainfield, Illinois. We're performing a repairability test in this architectural shingle tab right here. We'll see how it goes. Already documented some issues on this roof, but we'll go ahead and see how this repairability test goes. Tools roof snake to remove the nails. Oh, look at that, pops right through. You see that? That is not good. Out. It's stuck in the tar. Man. These nails are ridiculous. Get it out. Every time I try to grab a nail, it pulls right through the shingle itself. No good. See what I'm saying? Look at that. Yep, once again, pulls right through. Guy should pull right out. Got one more left. A straight one. Didn't have the exact match color on hand. It looks like the shingle, this is typical size. But it's they aren't the same size. Nope. This is 38 Just under 39, looks like 38 7/8. And then you can see where these line up. This architectural shingle is bigger, right? And this one is 39, almost and a half. So what we'll do is I'll just go ahead and put the old one back in because I can't repair with a new shingle. So we'll just go ahead and act like we're repairing it with the old one, you know? To cut this down right now, so pop this old guy back in and we'll see what the see how it looks up top. Once again, the measurement here was 30. We'll get it right afterwards, but just under 39 inches. Knuckle just got smoked. Okay. Well, attempt is done. Let's take a look at what we got. Just for reference, gotta remember it's this one that we did. All right, let's take a look. Yeah, we got We got brutal consequential damage. Look at that. From trying to get this thing like popped up, it's all the way across. Look at that. Really, yeah, both layers. Not to mention when I was trying to get the nails in here, look at this. That just means that they're falling apart. This from trying to scoot the nail in underneath, you know? Every time I try to scoot one in, it did that. Almost everywhere. Like, but you can definitely see the consequential damages, not to mention the size differential and everything else we noted here, guys. This roof is old, it is brittle, it is rough, and it is non-repairable. So that's that.